So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chisha Talkies. Hope you all are doing well, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Also, thanks for responding. Thanks for responding on Instagram and sharing a lot of good ideas for making YouTube videos. But this one, as you know from the title, this is gonna be a basic makeup tutorial. It was more than an idea. It was a challenge for me because I'm not that good at makeup. And when I do makeup, I am usually a complete mess. And making a video and doing makeup will be a great mess again. But it's okay, I took that challenge, and this is the look I'm going to create, and here's the video for you all. Please give it a thumbs up if you like, and do share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So obviously for makeup, let me quickly tie up my hair, and then we'll begin with the video. So yeah, now I have tied my hair from the front part because it will be easier for me to do the makeup now. So the very first step in doing the makeup is to do some skincare to give your skin something good, because if your skin will be good already, the makeup will look good automatically. So let's begin with that. So I'm just gonna quickly move to my first step, that is using this facial toner from Nutri-Glow. So I'm gonna use this facial toner just like this. After using this facial toner, I'm feeling very fresh. So now it's time to give your skin some moisturizer. So right now I have this moisturizer from Himalaya. Also, I want to tell you all that usually I use the moisturizer from Biotech, and trust me, it's one of the best moisturizers I have used till date. So I would like to suggest you all for that. But right now I'm going for this one, and just quickly I'm gonna activate the product. Then these are the main focus areas where you have to give your skin some good thing. So yeah, now I'm done with this. Now next, so I use this primer from Inside. I'm just quickly gonna use this. People who have very dry skin must use a primer before. Everybody should use it, but for people with dry skin, it's a very necessary part. Also, don't forget to just activate your product before using. So yeah, done. So yeah, done with the primer. The next step is gonna be the foundation part. For me, some people do contour first, and then it's your choice, but I'll go with the foundation because it's gonna be very basic makeup. So I don't think giving a lot of bases, a lot of thick layers to your face will be good for the basic look. So that's why I'm going with this foundation from Fit Me, and this is in shade SPF 22, which is my shade. So I'm just quickly gonna take it in my hand. Okay, so when you look horrible like this, then you have to quickly use your beauty blender. Obviously you have to wet and then squeeze and then blend your this thing, foundation. So yeah, now I feel that the blending part is complete. So yes, after the blending part, I use this palette for my contour. Obviously I have a lot of dark circles here, so I'm going to use this orange one to hide it. So
I'm again using my finger, but you can use a brush as well. मतलब जहाँ पे भी if you feel ना you have a dark skin, you can use this orange contour. Or also if you don't have this color pigment, you can use a dark shade lipstick also.
Yeah. Also I'm going to apply this here as well. Thoda sa. And also if you have some pimple marks or something like that, you can use this green color pigment. I don't have a pimple right now. Chalo. I don't have a pimple, man. Okay, if like let's just suppose this is a pimple, you can use it like this. So yeah, after this, what I do is I do my contour with this brown shade because I have a lot of fat on my face and I want to hide it to look good in videos. So what I do is I do this and then so yeah, that's it. So yeah, right now I might be looking horrible as hell, but it's okay. So I'm just quickly gonna blend it. So as you can see, face का shape काफ़ी हद तक change हो चुका है. So now obviously to set my base, I'm going to use this powder. And this is a cake powder, okay? Okay. Yes. So after this, so after my base is ready, what I do is I use this blusher palette, which I am in love with because it have a lot of beautiful shades. All the shades are different and unique, and I love all of them. But I personally prefer this one because it's a nude shade, and obviously for basic looks, this goes well. So after that, you have to give a big smile. And then you have to feel like a red princess. You can be you can be, not that harsh to your skin. Like, that's it. So this is my favorite part personally. After this, I use this highlighter. Sorry. I use this highlighter from Nalio, and trust me, this is one of my favorite highlighter. Again, I have two shades in this. One is this rose gold shade and the other one is silver, yeah, whatever. And so I'm gonna use it here, thoda here and here. So we have the blender on the back side of it, and we can blend it like this. So now you can check the base of my face, and the base my whole face look is ready. Here's how it looks. So after that, it's time for my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm firstly gonna apply this eyebrow pencil. So let's go with that. yeah. So yes, this is how I do it. Then so I have this eyeshadow palette, and obviously we have a lot of shades in it, but for my basic look I use very nude shades, like either this one or this one or this brown also sometimes. So right now I'm planning to use a very light shade. So I'm very bad with my eyes, don't judge me. Even I don't follow any technique. I just use the eyeshadow. So yeah, after this I'm going to apply this eyeliner. Today I'm going with the blue eyeliner because for a very long time I wanted to use this one, but I didn't. So I think this is the right time. Also, I can't apply an eyeliner here in the, you know, in front of a camera. I really want a mirror for that, and hopefully a big one, so I'm going for that. Okay, let me just try here.
No,
So yeah, as you can see, I have applied the eyeliner as well, and I quite like the eyeliner. It looks nice. And after the eyeliner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this white kajal, because I just thought to be different. Also, I'm not a very big fan of, you know, these kajal, so I just apply a little bit to, you know, highlight the line. Otherwise I don't prefer using a kajal. It don't suit me, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है it doesn't suit me, तो मैं इसीलिए ज़्यादा apply नहीं करती हूँ. So after this you can either go with the mascara or lipstick. Yeah, I'm going to go with the lipstick right now. Use a brush for applying my lipstick. I don't like applying it ऐसे ही. मुझे लगता है कि I can't handle the lipstick like that. So I use. So yeah, I am done with the lipstick as well. I use the mascara from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl one, but I guess it's finished right now. So I'll just try जितना भी apply हो सकता है. So yes, after applying the mascara, I am ready with my look, and you can see how it looks. So this was my basic hair tutorial I was going to say. So this was my basic makeup tutorial, and that's it. Let me show you the look. My complete look. So I hope you like the look. I hope you like the video. It was quite messy, I know, because I'm not that pro at doing makeup, but still I tried my best, and I'm done with my challenge now. So you comment down below that if you liked it or not. Also let me know that what other videos do you want. I'm gonna surely make them all. Also, thank you so much for watching the videos, and please do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, please. It's you know, it's a request. Please subscribe to my channel. Also do share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.